Nihari wasn't invented for restaurants. It wasn't even invented for lunch or dinner. It was built for one specific moment: dawn, after a long night, when the body needed something powerful enough to keep it going for hours. The name itself comes from the Arabic word nihar, meaning morning. Nihari was created in the royal kitchens of Old Delhi during the late Mughal era, as a dish specifically meant to be eaten after dawn prayers. Slow cooked overnight, it was ready right when the sun came up. Rich, heavy, and packed with enough fat and spice to sustain nobles, soldiers, and workers through a full day ahead. The technique is what makes it different from every other curry. Bone-in meat, usually beef or lamb shank, is simmered for 6 to 8 hours, sometimes longer, over the lowest possible heat. No shortcuts. The slow cook breaks down the marrow and connective tissue until the broth turns thick, dark, and deeply savory on its own, before a single spice is even added. After the Mughal era ended, Nihari didn't disappear. It moved with the last royal chefs into the streets of Old Delhi and Lucknow, then crossed the border into Karachi after partition, where it became something else entirely. Spicier, richer, and eaten any time of day, not just at dawn. That's the dish that was built to fuel an empire, one bowl at a time. Next time, we're going even further back, to the spice blend that made Mughal cooking recognizable across an entire continent. Subscribe so you don't miss it.